Presenting the new JCB 220LC Xtra. The ultimate hydraulic excavator. Let's have a look at the truly extra benefits of owning this magnificent, efficient and powerful machine. Extra performance and productivity. The JCB 220LC Xtra has new variable power modes for complete flexibility in adapting to work requirements. It has 8 power modes, apart from the economy, G1, G2, G3, lifting, L1, L2, L3, and heavy power, H modes. The new Heavy Power Plus, H Plus mode, increases hydraulic power and thus increases output by 7%. The Power Boost feature increases hydraulic system pressure by 9% to provide higher digging force and lifting capacity when needed. A massive 14,360 kilograms of bucket tear-out force helps in high output even in tough strata. Extra fuel efficiency. The JCB EcoMax engine, specially built for off-road applications, provides 8% better fuel efficiency. The Auto Idler reduces engine speed automatically when the machine is not at work, thus saving fuel. Eco Hydraulics has been designed to make the hydraulics more efficient by reducing losses in the system, thus reducing fuel consumption. Extra comfort. The air-conditioned cabin has a large internal space and excellent overall visibility. It is mounted on viscous mounts to absorb vibrations. A roof hatch is provided to keep the cab well ventilated, which is aided by a rear sliding window. The front lower glass can be removed for better ventilation. The deluxe operator seat provides high level of seating comfort and is adjustable for fatigue-free operation. The additional glass provided in the front of the cab provides high visibility while working at heights. Low engine noise levels enhances operator comfort during long working hours. Extra care. JCB Premier Line Solutions are a set of new and innovative solutions designed to give maximum value to JCB's privileged customers by ensuring high machine uptime, parts availability, and various warranty options. JCB's advanced telematics solution, LiveLink, offers 24/7 monitoring of machines and solutions for preventive maintenance even before a machine breaks down. The unique features of JCB LiveLink are critical machine health alerts, fuel level information, idle time monitoring, fuel consumption reports, geofence or GPS tracking, and tow-away alerts. This ensures tracking of the overall machine performance. The option of on-site product support through adequate parts stock at site ensures maximum machine uptime. If you work there, we'll service it there. The new JCB 220LC Xtra is your most reliable partner. It is manufactured at JCB's world-class manufacturing facility at Pune. The boom and arm are made of high tensile steel that offers higher strength and longer life in most arduous applications. The lower frame is of X-type design for strength and rigidity. The heavy-duty track chain offers improved strength and wear properties for higher service life. JCB uses finite element analysis with extensive rig and endurance testing to make key components last longer. So get ready to go the extra mile with JCB 220LC Xtra. With JCB, you can always expect more.